This is the main control panel for the Revel. This is your solar energy. This shows what you have currently available. You can scroll up and down to see your amp hours, wattage, your draw of volts on main and auxiliary batteries, and then your percentage. In this Revel, we have a 8 kilowatt battery under this cushion, and 200 watts of solar on the roof. These are your switches. So you have your bed up and down switch, your inverter switch. So if you do want to use any of the normal ports in the van, you need to turn the inverter on before going to use them. These are your ceiling lights, bright, dim, cabin lights, bathroom lights. This is your control for the diesel heater. So you have your furnace, system, fan, hot water. This is the temperature control module for that as well. This is the house battery system we always leave on for our renters. Here's your water pump switch. When you're going to use the water, you're going to want to turn it on. Your tank level. So you want to make sure you have enough fresh water in the tank. Your gray waste tank. If it gets too full, you need to empty it. And then battery level. But we usually use the Victron over here in regards to electricity on the vehicle. And then this you're not going to be using, but if you are plugged in, then you would have your electric heat as well for your hot wire.